I'm from Kumbakonam. It's a very emotional moment because for a lot of reasons, I will come to that at the end. So first thing, 2024, when everything was going on a smooth thing, EV, suddenly வந்துட்டு நம்ம மஹிந்திரால a lot of people started talking, what is Mahindra doing? So is it possible even? So I am just referring to when we launched BE6 and 9E and all those marketing promotions video you would have seen which we did on the racetrack. And then again there was a discussion, what about the pricing? When the pricing came, the top end was almost 30 lakhs. So when the entire industry was thinking EV 30 lakhs product யாராச்சும் வாங்குவாங்களா அப்படிங்கிற போது ஒரு 30 லட்ச ரூபாய் ப்ராடக்ட் 7 மாசத்துல 30,000 வண்டி வித்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா that shows the level of confidence from the customers, and a big thanks for all of you first of all who have gathered here. And when I talk about that, definitely இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த மார்க்கெட் இருக்கும்போது அதை கொஞ்சம் கூட வந்துட்டு பிசிறு தட்டாமல் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அழகா வந்துட்டு அதை கவனிச்சு ப்ராப்பரா வந்துட்டு கஸ்டமர்ஸுக்கு தேவையானதை செஞ்ச இந்த என்டையர் டீலர்ஷிப் டீம். டுடே we are in Jubilant, but this goes to all dealerships, and thanks to all our dealer partners, the dealer employees, big thanks to you all again. This is definitely not possible with your support, without your support. And third thing, I would like to sincerely thank Mahindra senior management team for providing a first class benchmark, marvel, you name it, anything. Or flawless product in the price range in EV segment, breaking all the myths. ஏன்னா EV வரும்போது வண்டி வந்துட்டு ரோட்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்ற கேள்வியே கிடையாது இப்போ. ஏன்னா nobody is going to drive more than 400 kilometers in a day. கண்டிப்பா I am sure you will accept it. And இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல சிங்கிள் சார்ஜ்ல 500 kilometers real world range, not I am just quoting any data, and this is tested, proven by our customers not only in Tamil Nadu, across all the cities pan India. So we can confidently say, we will proudly say that that you are going to you are owning Mahindra product, and we are part of Mahindra. It's a Mahindra family event, and thanks to our management for providing such a wonderful product. Now thanks to Jubilant for organizing a wonderful event like this, and the first dealership where in entire Tamil Nadu we are doing Formula E launch. Thanks to you sir, thanks to Ashish ji, and thanks to entire dealer fraternity. I know that many of the customers are poorpa nipating vandiye kamingendru. Formula E themed special edition SUV. Who is operating? You can just. So without any further delay, I will just quickly say what exactly is new. BE6 and 9E, unlike those two products, this is purely a race vehicle themed inspired product. So Formula E la vandu pathina Mahindra last 12 seasons ah vandu associated aayirukku. That's why, as you can see, I have few slides to show it to you. There are certain elements which actually speak for itself. There are 12 striped graphics on the bonnet and on the roof as well. This is representation, or this means our association for 12 seasons with Formula E. And similarly on the windshield you can see Formula E ceramic painted on the windshield, and this is another beauty of it. And let it be R20 20-inch alloy wheels which we have. That is also racetrack themed, and similarly you have lot of black and orange themed interiors. Can we go to the interiors? Yeah, the black. You can see a plate which has FIA federation who generally monitors the Formula E and Grand Prix events. So similarly, you can see even the button push start stop button கூட வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு open flap typeல இருக்கும். So whoever is going to use this vehicle are definitely going to be satisfied in terms of those race enthusiasts